What I have here is a remote controlled solar lighting set, and you can see how I've done them here. I've put them in buckets out here in a little flower garden. There's a solar panel that you want to kind of put facing up. It has a stake with it, but it also has a place where you could screw it down to a wall. And on the back, you can see that it is charging and it is on, and there's different settings on this. But the cool feature of this thing, check out this, you get a little remote to it. So inside your house, you could sit there and turn the different lights on. It's not dark out yet, so these are not coming on, but you could see all the different settings. There's a timer setting. If you want them to be on for 3 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours. So there's different settings if you want them to be brighter. And these are the controls. You get these little high step. I didn't need the centerpiece, but you can see how it looks right there. And I just bent them up into kind of the basic little flower shape. And the modes are a combination, the waves, the sequential, the slow glow, the chasing, the flashing, slow fade. You know what? There's a lot of different things. And so let's go ahead and let's click over the night and see what these look like now. So let's do that now. All right, there it is, everybody. It's nighttime. These just officially came on. Check these things out. Those look awesome. Highly recommend them. You can see there's different settings right here that's got going on. I have the remote. They're on just kind of like the normal little blink pattern. I can change the settings by mashing the remote. You can see now that turns it to that. In the hour setting, I'm gonna put it on 5 hours. So now that should last 5 hours and cut off. But these things look really good. Anybody that kind of just wants to kind of dress up their little flower garden, I highly recommend these. This is something that's great as a gift or just for somebody that really likes to see lights. Do those look awesome? I really like that little look on those. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the solar lights, blinking flowers. Check them out. See you guys in the next video. Woo!